So it is the first snow of the season. Good morning, guys. We went outside to play with little Asher. So today we're doing a day in the life, and
Yes.
it's pretty cold.
Oh.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Are you having fun?
I'm at a van.
So yeah, this is typical Utah. And expecting snow. It's not even Halloween yet. Oi, do you want to talk?
Okay, sure. Hi, how are you today? Oh my God.
Say, it is snowing today. And I'll have, hey, come here because it's pretty dangerous. Come here. Come on, go slow, yeah. Go slow, hold it tight. Hold it here. Hold it here so we can go down.
Hi.
Yeah. Say kisses. Say, Happy Halloween.
Halloween. Merry Christmas.
It's not even Christmas.
Following our hearts, so then we take a ride wherever. I always try to let my spirit fly away. That's the only way to get that high.
Sunday, and we woke up. I went to the park as you guys saw, and I got myself ready. I've been cleaning all day, but I want to show you guys. I get a lot of questions, the things I put in Ash's room, so I want to share with you guys his room, the things that I put in his room. It's a mix with the space and dinosaur, the two things he likes, and he's pretty happy with this room. He loves to be here, and I'm gonna show you guys products that it has in this room that we love it. And you go into his room. Actually, I need to fill this with photos. We got these shelves at IKEA. I think almost everybody has the same thing, and you have few books and stuffed animals here. So right here I got this thing. Actually, I think this is like a magazine book table, and we got these at the thrifty store, and I kind of like just painted, and then here's like a bunch of Ash's stuff for his, this is in Portuguese, as a like school stuff that I kind of teach in the daily. And here's few books. Got this at Target. This is from Crane, and I love the humidifiers they have because you can choose like different characters, you can choose different animals, and it's really cute. He was the one, when I was choosing, he was the one that chose the frog. I think it was really good because matched with the color for his room. And then you just fill up here. We clean once a week, like a deep clean, and then we fill up one time of the day. It's like 24 hours, so I always turn it on in nap time and when he goes to sleep. Right here's a little shelves with the book, photo of us, dinosaur. This is something that I got in IKEA that was in my room and I didn't know what to do with, so I put it here. I have just his train stuff, and he also loves this toy. He's obsessed with this toy. The table and the chairs are from Delta. Actually, this table has, let me show you guys, it's really cool. These things open up, as you guys can see here, and you can put a bunch of stuff here. This chair is also from Delta. He's so, now like he's so into Toy Story, and got this pillow at Target. The canoe, you guys can see, is also from Target. Bookshelves is also from Delta Children. So here, that's one thing that I want to show you guys that I'm obsessed with is this wallpaper stickers. You guys can see here. I am gonna insert the link here so you guys can see how we put it together. It was very, very easy, and I'm gonna talk more about it. And I'm really excited to collaborate with Urban Walls. I'm gonna show you the card here. Yeah, so you guys gonna see step by step the things I'm doing. It's very simple, it's very easy. It's a little one. It's this space. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's what we're gonna do. And his room, it's like a mix of dinosaur and space. It's like a blue, green, red, orange, and yellow. And I think I love it, this wallpaper, so I was just like, let's get in and put it on. So I'm going ahead and show you guys how I do it. So when you get your wall paper, you also get instructions here. And first they say to prepare the clean, and you have to pre-clean your surface with soap and water. So that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts, so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood, I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. Here's what I like. Jumping from a roof that is almost too high, laying on the grass, I close my eyes, playing my guitar till my fingers are numb. I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
So yeah, as you guys saw, it was very easy to put it together. I am really obsessed with it. It looks so adorable. You can like put it in all the rooms and make like, I made this area here that is close to his crib, and I put some here too. I put some here, here, so you guys can see there the way I want it. So in here, it's obsessed with it too. So his crib is from IKEA. Here is the dog top, but I put this on because he's a little messy sometimes and I don't want to put things on it. So I put this blanket here that's from Target. This is also from Target. This basket with a bunch of blankets. He's obsessed with blankets. I really like this area here. Stuck on You. His bags from Stuck on You. It's really cute, has his name on it. And still in diapers. We're trying to get this boy potty trained, but it takes time, right? And these shelves here, and yeah, as you guys can see. And here is his changing table. His changing table dresser is from Dream on Me. As you guys know, I love Dream on Me. They also have cribs and other furniture. We actually have in my Luz room, her crib is from Dream on Me. And this is the dresser and changing table. This is really good. It was very easy also to put together. And then enough space for his stuff. Here's his pajamas. And we also put a diaper here. And this is blankets. So enough space, really good material, good design. And I am really happy with how his room's turned. I'm really happy with his room. I still need to put a few other things here, But yeah, he loves his room, he loves to play here. Here is his closet. I'm just gonna show very fast because I still need to clean up. So here his closet. Maybe I'm gonna do a organized closet.
Friends under the sky, following our hearts, so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood, I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
Thank you so much guys for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comment. Let's get to know each other, and also don't forget to check the description box with all the products. Thank you so much. Bye bye.